Black Nation, baddest blood clan sound, Fatatino himself, Bad Bull family, DJ Tony himself, Anta Black. Superfly, and Richie Fire me, so one we no pray, no guy. Gunshot take them right now. Black Nation there, yeah. Gunshot it I got fire. Both of this the program him get murder. Both of all you get conquer. That one on them, how would you feel if you come in and the dance and you saw a big M16 as a lot your jaw? Feel like you want disappear but you can't. Black Nation are in a walk with the law. Bad man will shot to face straw. What would you say if you're coming from dance and you're red? You hear at a black say boy no move else you dead. And when you take a look for see a old from far, a nation where you want them a warden. Son boy have to go flee. Beg for all them life and go down pandemic, that's when. Son boy have to go flee. Oh them this bad man when them not have no mercy. Them get murder. Nation at them out like Joe Fraser. Boy this the program gunshot fire. Kill them in a dancer corner. Oh. Son boy get murder. Them discard them come from the Gaza. Them find them body in the plaza. Boy, this son boy get murder. Anyway, yo, what will Mr. Lawman do if all the tables should have turned? Black Nation, they sign say police skin for burn. Babylon a split, gone left all them boot. Cause all them dog and them yard man a shoot. Wonder if them with a shot another youth them knock them. How them feel if them and them friend them they pump patrol. Show them a police, them all a flex like them cool. Challenge all Black Nation and them shot them done. Done off a son, I want the dance all for done. Then every man we want shot them long that's when it. Son boy you have to go flee. Beg for all your life and I'll get on for your knee. Son boy you have to go flee. Black Nation sound, DJ Tony out of Black Superfly. Richie Fire, don't worry, one it. Whoa, yeah, father say. Bad Bull family, what me say? Tell them not tell me nothing. Cause it's a get or something. Government a push me button. Give me gun to kill me cousin. Police has murder dozen. I still can't solve the puzzle. And politician give me gun to send me in a prison. But liar feel not cheap. So you have to touch the street. Bullet a bills a piece. So you have to have a leap. You can't afford the gun for empty when the war no cease. You think it easy when you buck up in a pay police. You want to help yourself. Take away yourself. Take a lane the closest screen and take a dozen fence. Use the intelligent. Therefore no make no sense. Look along your fire gun and on a recompense. Just take a look around. Black Nation run the town. Oh, you a bad man and you want a clown. You stop coming down. You bed up on the ground. Oh, you shut the town and buck up all the doors around. Now them have you down a rising lockdown. Now Black Nation sound run the compound. Oh, you for this father, T Bad Bull family, them under the clan Black Nation. We a product of the ghetto. If you're this gunshot, take a right to so. Now this Black Nation, well as I go. Black Nation sound as so we say. We are the product of the ghetto. Real born product of the ghetto. Boy, this the program, mommy, want you now. Black Nation is a product of the Anyway, like how them give a basket, so we fi carry water. Like them want fi cut the road, like them to the slaughter. Bad man, they you know worry no really cater. But if it this Black Nation when we run Jamaica, DJ Tony, them man no easy. Attack the blacks, them lucky city. Superfly, them man they no have no pity.